Hi everyone, my name is Shivan Singhania from SRM University AP, and today I am going to demonstrate my project for internship assignment given by Zeno. The goal of this project was to build a multi-tenant Shopify analytics dashboard that simulates how Zeno help retailers integrate and analyze their data. The application is built with a Next.js frontend and backend, uses Prisma to connect to a PostgreSQL database, and is deployed live on Vercel. So let's get started. So this is the main landing page of my application. User will first land here. User can either click get started or sign in if he is an existing user. Now, if I click on get started button, a registration form will open in front of you where a retailer has to enter the basic details like store name, Shopify domain. This is an admin token which they should generate in the settings and enter, and an email and password which can later help them to authenticate themselves. I have already registered myself, so I will go to sign in page and sign in with my email and password. So now this is an important part of the process, as after clicking connect on the registration page, the application is performing the initial bulk data import from Shopify. It's pulling in all the existing customers, products, and orders. For a store with a lot of data, it can take a moment. So now this is the main dashboard page which will open after user authenticates in our application. It will show the total revenue till now, total orders, total customers, and average order value. And the revenue trend, like per day, how much revenue is generated. And the top 5 customers in the list, daily orders graph, and current store status. For a deeper financial analysis, we have revenue page. This features a large interactive chart for tracking revenue trends. And also I have added controls so the user can group the data by day, week, and month. Below a table shows product performance that contribute to the revenue of the selected period. Next is the orders page, which displays a detailed and beautiful style table for of every transaction. This page includes backend filtering and filtering. For example, I can easily filter for the list to see only the orders that are currently fulfilled or unfulfilled, pending paid. As you can see, or paid or only fulfilled. And also I have did pagination to display all the current orders. And also the products page give the store owner clear insights into their product performance, showing the total units sold and the total revenue generated for each item, helping them to easily identify their best sellers. Now, the core architectural challenge was multi-tenancy. I solved this by adding a store ID to every relevant table in the database. Every single API query is filtered by the authenticated user's store ID, ensuring the data is always completely isolated between different stores. For data synchronization, I have implemented two methods. The first is a manual sync button, which you can see in the main dashboard page. If you click that, it will act as a manual webhook, which will fetch data from the Shopify and explain the results. And second one is the real-time sync using Shopify webhooks. When a store is onboarded, my application automatically subscribes to all key events. These webhooks are secured by verifying Shopify's signature on every request using a secret key stored as an environment variable. Now, in terms of trade-offs, as I mentioned earlier, the synchronous data import on registration was a deliberate choice for this simulation's reliability. In production, I would move this to an asynchronous background process for a faster user experience. Another trade-off was using a manually entered admin API token. For a public app, I would replace this with a full Shopify OAuth flow for better security and a smoother onboarding process. I will show you a live demo of webhook in my application. If I register a new customer in Shopify app, and I save that customer, a webhook will automatically fetch that. The current customers are totally 11 customers are there. If you wait for 2 or 3 seconds, customers count will increase. See, now customers automatically became 12 due to our webhook. And you can see that Aditya, the customer which was created today on. And if I take it the virtual logs also, there also it will be visible web signature verified successful. So that is all about my project. Thank you again.